we are given this problem. We have A equals 5B plus 3 over 4. We asked to make B the change of subject formula here. So as usual, you cross multiply, alright? So when you cross multiply, you're going to have 4A equals 5B plus 3. Since we want to make B the subject formula, so this 3 will cross over the equality sign and change to -3. Now, basically, when you're asked to make a number or an alphabet the subject formula, what they are talking about basically is that you should make that letter or that alphabet to be alone at an end of an equation. So now we have done, we're going to have 4A minus 3 equals 5B. The next thing will be, what are we going to do to make B to be alone at this right side of the equation? So the only thing you do now will be to divide both sides by 5. So when you divide both sides by 5, your B will now be 4A minus 3 over 5. So that will be the answer to this question. It's as simple as that, guys.